upload files from your Android phone to Google Drive and it says upload pause, no Wi-Fi connection. Let me show you how to fix that. All you have to do is once you get a notification, click on it and you will now see the pause uploads on your phone. Simply click and change settings at the top and turn off the option that says transfer files only over Wi-Fi. Once you toggle it off, you'll be able to use your data to also transfer files. And the reason for this is that you may not be connected. You most likely not connected to a Wi-Fi, and so it blocks you because it's trying to use your mobile data, and mobile data is not allowed. And that's it. So once you turn that off, you will now be able to transfer the files over your mobile data. So let's go ahead and try again. I'm going to try to upload these 3 files. Click and share and now select the folder, and you can see it's preparing to transfer the files, and now the files are now being transferred at the top there. And that's it, guys. That's how you fix that error. Very easy and very simple.